I often say that the Igbos give the devil the best name. The name in Igbo is Ekwensu. What that means is Ikwe Osu. If you let him, he'll strike. Today's Rhapsody just captures that. All the confusion in the world, all the trouble in the world has its root in Satan, and you cannot let it happen. Learn more in today's Rhapsody Realities. I want you to become a partner with the Rhapsody Realities. Help me reach 20 million people by clicking on the link showing right now and sponsor 10, 100, 1,000, half a language, one language today. And let some other person know about Rhapsody Realities by becoming a Rhapsody influencer. Go ahead and click. Your next level is only a click away. This is Rhapsody Clicks, and you're about to have a great day. Love you. God bless you.